Polkadot is a blockchain network designed to support various interconnected, application-specific subchains called parachains, short for parallelized chains. Each chain built within Polkadot uses Parity Technologies' substrate modular framework, allowing developers to select components that best suit their application-specific chain. Polkadot refers to the entire ecosystem of parachains that plug into a single base platform known as the relay chain. This base platform, which also leverages substrate, does not support application functionality but instead provides security to the network's parachains and contains Polkadot's consensus, finality, and voting logic. History. Polkadot origins. Polkadot is the brainchild of Dr. Gavin Wood, who is one of the co-founders of Ethereum and the inventor of the Solidity smart contract language. Dr. Wood started working on his idea to design a sharded version of Ethereum in mid-2016 and released the first draft of the Polkadot white paper in October 2016. In 2017, Dr. Wood and Parity's Peter Zabin founded the Web3 Foundation, a non-profit entity established to support the research and development of Polkadot as well as to oversee its fundraising efforts. The Switzerland-based Web3 Foundation hosted Polkadot's first token sale in October 2017, using a spend-all-second price Dutch auction to distribute the funds. The sale raised $145 million in just under 2 weeks, selling 50% of the initial $10 million old supply, and the Web3 Foundation chose Parity Technologies to develop Polkadot. Parity Technologies was founded by Dr. Wood and Jutta Steiner and is known for maintaining the Parity Ethereum client in addition to Substrate, which serves as the development framework for Polkadot. Parity wallet hack and subsequent fundraising efforts. 10 days after the token sale ended, November 6, 2017, someone permanently froze the funds in the Parity multi-sig contract, the second such incident in a matter of months, compromising a little over $90 million worth of ETH, equaling around 66% of Polkadot's token sale proceeds. Polkadot, along with Parity, has petitioned the Ethereum community to consider finding a way to return the funds, but the situation remains unresolved. Despite the lost funds, Polkadot and Web3 Foundation reported the project still had enough funds to meet its development milestones. The Web3 Foundation reportedly raised more capital to replenish the lost funds in a 2019 private token sale. In the sale, Polkadot sought to sell 500,000 old tokens at a $1.2 billion valuation, pricing the tokens at $120 apiece. Although the foundation did not disclose any details related to the raise, it was reported that the sale closed in June 2019 at a successful valuation. Polkadot technical developments and mainnet rollout. On the technical front, Polkadot started rolling out various proofs of concept, POC, in May 2018 to test its base relay chain, the relay chain support for parachains, and its finality agent, dubbed Grandpa. POC3, released in January 2019, also introduced the Alexander testnet, Polkadot's first test network. But the project's first significant release came in August 2019 with the public launch of Kusama. Kusama is an early, unaudited, and unrefined release of Polkadot, designed to serve as a canary network for Polkadot to test governance, staking, and sharding under real economic conditions. Polkadot also dedicated 1% of the initial DOT supply to Kusama stakeholders to encourage participation. Polkadot adopted a staged rollout strategy for its mainnet launch. Polkadot's first mainnet chain candidate, Phase 1, launched on May 27, 2020. It marked the initial step in a multi-stage rollout process detailed in the project's mainnet launch roadmap. This early version of Polkadot operated as Proof of Authority, POA, network managed by 6 validators belonging to the Web3 Foundation. Eventually, the network transitioned to its proposed nominated Proof of Stake, POS, system on June 18, 2020, Phase 2, which enabled DOT owners to claim validator slots and unlocked staking rewards. Phases 3 and 4 in late July 2020 introduced Polkadot's governance functionality and handed control of the protocol over to the community, respectively. The final phase plans to unlock DOT token transfers on August 18, 2020. The Web3 Foundation continues to use the proceeds from DOT sales to fund ecosystem initiatives and back projects building on Polkadot, see the Polkadot Ecosystem Fund. The foundation is governed by the Foundation Council, a governing body consisting of Dr. Gavin Wood, President and Founder, Dr. Aaron Buchanan, Vice President, and Reto Trinkler. DOT redenomination. In the first official community vote for the network, Polkadot token holders voted to change the denomination between DOT and its smallest unit, Planks, by a factor of 100. This change officially went into effect at block number 1,248,328, which arrived on August 21, 2020, about 72 hours after DOT transfers unlocked at block number 1,205,128, August 18, 2020. It was a cosmetic change that was similar to a stock split. The token balances of each Polkadot account increased by 100x, increasing the total DOT supply from its original 10 million to 1 billion. But the move did not impact Polkadot's pre-market valuation, as the dollar amount of each DOT will decrease by 100x.